your favorite tomboy, Tyra Chanel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an update on my hair care routine. Last video, you've seen me use the rice water method. I just took out my Meek Mills and I detangled my hair. But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, don't come for me because I know my nails look crazy. But I'm going to get it together. So in this video, let's get started. So for this hot oil treatment, two things, and that is extra virgin olive oil and an aloe vera plant. So I'm actually going to use some of this right now. They say to cut it in small pieces, but I don't have time for that. So I'm gonna just cut a piece.
No mama, magnum ice cream for the chompers. Whoa, destruction my goal, hook out my approach. Play with me, pussy, you toast. Float, super the goat. Now you should know. Hand through your gi, then consuming your key. Can't stop the feast. This is what happened when you starve a beast. You gotta meet Ozaro Elite. He in the cold like a lynx. I just went able on the beat.
I think I'm thinking too much. I need more time, but don't rush. These haters is on my shoulders, so I'm just brushing them off. Fuck what you think, I got sauce. My niggas, they do what they want. We ain't the ones, no, we ain't the ones. Yeah, I ain't the one, just run. Drip drop. I'm like a faucet that don't stop. I'm making a puddle to overflow. Enhancing my power like my nigga gone. But I don't pop bean, but I'm always gone. Defeating these demons incredible. I ain't the baddest to let you know. Y'all acting like y'all couldn't hear before. Hold on, wait. You niggas, you think it's a game. Hold on, wait. You niggas, you think that we playing. Hold on, wait. I told you I'll switch up the game. My flow is too different, just saying. Wasn't trying to go super sane. Like, the flow is too crazy enough. We about to fuck up a show. I instinct is super. Cause ain't nothing cooler. We're cooler than cooler. But don't get mad, controller. She wanna smoke what I roll up. I see the game controller. It's time to go get to the bag. I'm trying to get riches from rags. I'm coming first, never last. I can't go give up my life to people who do me bad. I'm getting retired of that.
I braided up my hair because my hair is wet and I don't want it to get nappy and tangled. So I put in these braids. Don't judge me, okay? Alright. I didn't say I could braid. This is not a braiding channel. But you know, you feel me? You gotta do what you gotta do when you can do it. But if you like this video, make sure you hit them thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell button to get notifications when I drop a new video. And I will see you guys on my next video.